How to pitch your business. The best would be to do it in the elevator. No, don't even listen to that. Let's be serious and talk about what you need to remember when you pitch your business. Good to see you again, Boss Dreamer. I'm Katy from katydbusinesscoaching.com, and I'm here to help you boost your confidence to grow your business, speak in public, and build the brand that people will follow. Today, we will focus on parts of your business pitch and important things that you need to consider whether your pitch is going to be 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's get started. We will actually start with the start. That is the moment when you're out on the stage in front of your pitch audience and you know you're the 20th pitch that they're gonna watch today. And they're super ultra hungry because it's almost lunchtime and you are just one last tiny thing that stands between them and the good warm food. What you need to do is to grab their attention. Do something to wake them up, shake them up. Show them the trouble your business is solving. Give them the immediate feeling of the pain you're having and you're the one who has the solution. Start with a sentence or with a question. Show them the immediate experience. Give them the exercise. Something that they will see, hear, and they will catch their attention immediately. Once you got their attention, tell the story of why. Why you decided to go into business. What is the business about? How you came across this trouble. Let them associate your story by asking questions. Pause after each question and let them nod their hands and sink in the message. Your story is a time filler, but use it wisely. You do not want to bore them. Remember, they're hungry. You want to keep them engaged. Hence, asking questions from time to time, asking them to raise the hand and give them some feeling that this solution is actually amazing and perfect. If you tested your solution, give them examples. Present the proof it works. Bring testimonials. Even if you have 1 minute, this can take only about 10 seconds to mention, and it changes the whole perception of the speech when you have a proof that it works. Prepare yourself the text in writing, all the presentation details. I'm not talking about the PowerPoint yet, but write down all the details you would like to tell them, all the tiny points you want to mention. Test your speech time. If you're on time, perfect, you're done, you can move to the PowerPoint presentation if you actually need one. However, if you're over time, you need to do some cutting until the speech will be clear, to the point, and within the time limit. Information I gave you so far are not all yet, so just bear with me. But if you're already interested to see more, subscribe and hit the bell button, and this way we'll stay in touch and you know when the next video is popping in. So what else you need to mention when you pitch? You should definitely mention the percent of margin you will earn, or in which year you will bring the profits in business. Give them also a sneak peek of your marketing strategy, your communication strategy, how you will reach the clients. Do you already have community that is behind your idea? What you will do to actually build that community and grow it even more. The one last moment, you should add a call to action. Maybe you're there to gain an X amount of euros of investment in exchange of your 10, 20, 25% of equity of the company. Or maybe you want them to leave their email addresses so you could follow up when the business is up and running. Or maybe you want them to join your Facebook community or Instagram community or YouTube community. Or if you actually have a sample or the exercise and you want to give it to them, that actually reminds me that I have an important exercise that when you start with branding yourself and your business is super important. Just download it in the link below. I gave you considerably big amount of points to cover in your next business pitch. I hope you will now jump on it and get ready. You can also schedule a free strategy call with me when you will have a chance to clarify your business issues, the issues that you're facing. I will leave you again a comment below so you can see it, and if you want you can just have a meeting with me. And of course, don't forget to comment and let me know which tip you found the most important today.